cute.
into the water. Yeah, maybe.
Oh my. Mother and baby.
Can be the one that they saw on Sunday.
Oh, this is someone's bear watch experience. So funny. Left a note. Very long essay. And these are all past memories. Oh, so cute.